Okay, this is an overlook in Bitter Lakes National Refuge, September the 30th, 2025. And there's all kinds of big birds out there. Can you tell what kind they are with the telescope, John? Cranes? Yeah, there's cranes, a whole bunch of big white cranes. What are those over there? Little ducks or something? And there's a whole line of them over here.
Those are snipes, I think.
Snipes, even over here? They're all clumped together.
Oh no, those are ducks.
Those are ducks over there? Too bad the GoPro couldn't zoom in. There's got to be about 30 or so of those big white birds over there.
Cranes.
This is some of the most birds we've seen at one time over here. This lake, we've come here kind of every other month or so, and it's been sometimes it's almost dry, just salt with a little bit of water. Today it's got a lot of water in it. Whole lot of water.
It sure is nice.
This is over there chilling out.
They're all preening.
I wonder what they eat out here. There's not too many fish in there, is there?
The little snipes are just really going at it right now. Picking at all sorts of little things in the water.
Oh, are they?
And the cranes are just kind of preening themselves.
Oh. There's mosquitoes out here. It's not bad right here, though.
Right there.
On this side of the road, while my son's watching the birds, I think I'll come over here. Here's this little channel they got, and it's pretty well almost overflowed. It's bank to bank, that's for sure. Anyone for a swim? What if they allow fishing? If they even have fish. Oh, they got minnows. I don't hear about people fishing over here though. They don't keep these lakes with a lot of water. Whoa! Something hopped over there. Something hopped over there too. There's a big old turtle or something. Just when I said I didn't know if they had fish in here, some big flopped right over here and then flopped over there at the same time.
Well, I saw some fish while we were on our way over, and they were on the surface. And I could see there.
So they have some pretty good fish in here sometimes?
I think it was like a gar or something.
Yeah.
Pretty big fish.
Huh. Well, did you get a good look at birds?
Really nice.
I guess I can take a look. Just want to put this on for a little bit and then I'll take a look.
Okay.
Big bird.
Mm-hmm.
Sesame Street. Turn for clear view. Okay. Glasses off. Oh yeah. You say what kind of birds? They almost look like pelicans. The one ones by the ocean that had the big old,
Yeah, they do kind of. Yeah, they do kind of look like pelicans.
where they put fish down in their gullet or whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like what you see out at the
Yeah, at the ocean.
ocean to me. Yeah, they're just preening.
Yeah, those are snipes. They have the
Clumping kind of together.
those long beaks.
I mean, well, you can't see out this, but even though it looks like they're full length, it's not deep.
Yeah.
I would say they're only judging by these birds that are standing there, only maybe 3 or 4 inches at the most. Water in there, but it's covered it pretty good. It's pretty. Yeah, I wish I had a zoom camera. I know exactly which one I want, but it's going to cost $800 to $1,200. Got stabilized in. It's Sony. You got different kinds. What are these ducks over here?
Yep, those are the ducks.
Yeah, they're all hanging out together. I wonder if the hawks over here hunt these smaller birds. Okay, where did I go with the big birds? Where'd they go? Oh, they're there. One's sitting all by himself. Saying, heck with you guys. I'm not going to hang out with the crowd. I'm going to move out. You don't see birds like that around here very much.
Oh, here in Bitter Lake, yeah. You
What?
see it in Bitter Lake, yeah, you see
Well, you
those,
do over here,
but not around anywhere else.
I wonder if they have birds like that over there in Lubbock area. Those lakes, they take quite a team of migratory birds. No, we're not going to walk the Oxbow Trail today. It's quite a long trail. We want to hit the butterfly trail before we leave. Also, we want to see about going I'm gonna stop at the Oxbow Trail, but I'm not gonna walk it. We want to go to a blind. There's a blind over there for watching birds, and just before you leave, there's a butterfly trail, I guess they call it. Okay, this spot's over with for now.